Welcome, this is your Option Monster Volatility Sonar Report. From the floor of the CBOE, I'm Jamie Tyrrell with Group 1 Trading. Well, after day after day after day of major down days and new lows heading back over a decade, the market has finally seen a rally today. One of the big reasons was pre-open in the people looking towards the overseas market. China working on a big stimulus plan and the world markets really got a boost. That's carried over into S&P 500 trading today in the U.S. markets, and we've seen about a 3% pop out of S&P futures. So when you look at the VIX, let's pull up the chart. The VIX is trading around 47.48, the front month March future around 45, and the back month futures, the J there, April, and the May into the lower 40s. You can see the VIX isn't just running down with this one up day and a rally. The future and the cash are down significantly, 3 or 4 points, but there's no big retreat towards 40. When you look at the last 3 days of S&P 500 trading, which is what the VIX is based off of, you'll see movements of over 3% in 2 out of the 3 days. Now a 48 VIX cash level would indicate a 3% move maybe 1 out of 3 days. That's what would support 48. So you can see this week of trading is more than supporting the 48 cash level where we're at right now, and one rally isn't pulling us down below that level. Remember that volatility is volatility whether we're heading up or heading down, so a volatile rally isn't necessarily going to take everything out of the VIX because the market has been so jittery of late. What we are seeing in VIX option trading is people taking more premium out of that upside, people taking more cash out of the idea behind a 60 VIX level or a 70 VIX level. We had one customer sell 2,500 March 60-80 call spreads today for 70 cents. So they're taking that, they were long that previously and now they're selling that down, taking that off the table. Another customer was just selling the 60 calls outright. They were selling them for 80 cents and then 70 cents and then 65 cents. So people are really lowering the volatility level on those far upside calls. That's what we have going here. Big rally today, less premium in the VIX upside. Check back for more. Jamie Tyrrell, Option Monster.
Folks, if you watch Jamie Tyrrell present great information about the VIX every day, information that can help you make money, and you want to understand more about it, well, you should consider coming to our Invest Like a Monster conference in New York City, Saturday, March 7th. It'll be a fantastic event. We've got Mark Fisher, one of the biggest energy traders in the world. Mark normally charges $2,500 for a one-day event. Mark Fisher is one of the headliners at this event. We've got my brother, Pete Najarian from Fast Money. We've got Guy Adami from Fast Money. We've got Vince Farrell from Soleil Securities. I'm going to be there. This is going to be one of the biggest events in New York City. It's going to be Saturday, March 7th at the Sheraton. And I can't encourage you enough, folks, if you've always wanted to learn more about the VIX, if you want to learn more about options, how to position yourself to make money in bull markets, bear markets, whatever, this is an event you really should not miss. I know I sound like a salesman there, but it's $149. Folks, the one we did here in Chicago sold out in 2 weeks, so make sure you don't miss out. There is limited seating available, and there is no upselling. We're not going to get you into the room and then say, well, you can't get out of the room until you buy a $5,000 seminar or a $10,000 seminar. We're going to give you solid all-day information from 8 in the morning until 4 in the afternoon, so you can mix and mingle with the folks that you've been listening to all day. All of that only at the Invest Like a Monster conference in New York City, Saturday, March 7th. We hope to see you there.